Alright, students, you have 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Piece of cake, I got plenty of time.
Alright, class, 5 minutes left.
Here you go.
Who are you?
I'm the pencil guy. I just brought a fresh new delivery, new pencil.
Oh, you mean like the delivery guy for the Lead Plus?
The Lead Plus is now the only pencil on the market with the lead attached in a storage compartment on the side.
You see, we came up with it one day when I was running out of lead, you know? And I really just wanted more lead. So I asked, do you got more lead? Nobody told me they had lead. So I wish I had a pencil that gave me more lead.
But don't forget, its grip is designed for comfort and has an easy-to-replace eraser.
We surveyed over 30 people, and here's what we came up with.
A majority of people were saying that they were already losing their lead before they lost their mechanical pencil, so this raised a lot of questions.
14 people lost their pencil before a month was over, and over 17 lost it before 6 months was over.
We asked people what they like least about mechanical pencils and fine-tuned our machine to correct those mistakes. 95% of people said they would buy the Lead Plus.
Will you?